Congratulations, friends. Today we will launch our test DAO. I really hope that after testing of the SubDAOs, you will create your own SubDAOs. You will find other people in the community, will explain them how it works, that we can create more SubDAOs with the different local languages to spread the information on all languages that it's possible. Of course, everybody who is participating in the testing of the SubDAO, they are spending their time, they are contributing for the development of the community. That's why all of you will get rewards. Those people who don't participate, they will not get rewards. We don't have any punishment, but we have incentivization for all we do. We will create our SubDAO, and after we will learn more about the functionality of the SubDAOs, how to use it in the groups with the local language or with the main English language. How to create the SubDAO? This phase is the hardest because to collect all us together in the one digital space and time takes a lot of energy. This is the how we will create our SubDAOs. In the interface of the SubDAOs, you know PostHuman does, and here is we have tab SubDAOs. We already have SubDAO for the core team. We need more SubDAOs. Pretty sure that we will have a lot of different teams to make decentralized governance much more effective. So if we will click create new SubDAO, we will see such interface. About the full functionality of the SubDAOs, how to create it and so on, we will speak at the next meets on the local language groups. That everybody understand it fully. For now, we will create a membership DAO with the multisig where everybody will have the same voting power. Of course, you will need to have the Kepler with your addresses that you filled in the form. When we create our first SubDAO, we need to describe the SubDAO, and after we need to add people who will be in this SubDAO. As you can see, for now, it shows that I'm the only one person with the 100% of voting power. This is very boring. This is my address. Very nice. We need to add more addresses. Member address. Let's do it like this. Let's check it one more time. When the address is here, everybody have the same voting power in case of we create such kind of DAO. So for now, voting configuration, voting duration, we don't need 1 week for the voting duration. 1 day is enough for the testing of the SubDAOs. Moreover, we will not make any proposal deposits for now. Here is some advanced configurations. We will speak about all the parameters at the latest meets. This is our first configuration. Of course, in the process of the testing, we will change this configuration and so on. Okay, now it works. Approve. Remember that all of you need to have some Juna to create SubDAOs. If you will need any Juna to create SubDAOs to pay fees, no problems. We will give you Juna to pay fees. Just ask in the Telegram chat. Copy this link. We will pin it. As you can see, our SubDAO still not recognized by the PostHuman DAS, and the PostHuman DAS need to agree with this SubDAO, but for the testing purpose, it's not important for us. For now, we don't have the treasury, but in the process of the testing, we will have some treasury to check the full functionality. The most important for now is that you can go to the members, see all the members of the SubDAO. We can create any proposals, and we will create the new proposal directly for now, and we will call it the first test proposal. About the whole functionality of the SubDAO, we will speak with you later. For now, we will do something not really hard. Vote on this proposal, and we can publish it. So as you can see, This is our first test proposal. We can first, yes, approve. For now, this is everything that we need to know for the beginning. You just can look at this SubDAO, try to click something. Maybe you will have any questions for our next meet. Because our next meet will be tomorrow for the Russian speakers, for the English speakers also tomorrow, or maybe after tomorrow, depends of the English speaking group, because English speaking group is pretty small, just 5 people. We need to teach the community how to use the tools that will help us to make the decentralized governance model more effective. And all of you will be navigators of the future SubDAOs. All of you will know the full functionality and will be able to explain it to the other people. Other people will teach other people. As the result, we will have the very big group of the active community members who will create SubDAOs all the time when they need to make any decentralized decision. Congratulations, friends. We start this interesting process and we will implement it in the real digital life. Bye-bye.